I want to show you how I do my matcha with three simple ingredients. Obviously, number one would be the matcha. I use soy milk and then creamer in a cup. I get about a little bit less than halfway of water and just heat it up. So this one's already heated up. And a little strainer like this, I put about 1.5 teaspoons. This one here is half a teaspoon, so I have to do it 3 times. And then once I put it in here, you put it in a bowl like this, and just make sure that you get all of the little crumbs out. You want it to be a very fine powder like this one here. Then you pour the hot water into it. In the meantime, while I'm doing this, I put my soy milk and my creamer into a milk frother, and I'll just let it do its thing. Just pour your milk and then pour your matcha. If for some reason you find that you have leftover dry powder that wasn't able to blend in, just pour a little bit, just pour back a little bit of milk in it, and just make sure to go over it again. As you can see, there's no more sticking. There had a big clump in here, and just pour it back. And there you have it. It's good.
So I wish I could give you like a standard thing, but it's different for each video, but I apologize that
Tofu. You like the tofu? Yeah. The little pieces of tofu. less than 2 minutes left. What? Ah. What? Ah. Oi. Hey. Little dress. Little dress. Hey. 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 You're gonna vlog? You're taking over the vlogging? Ah! Here, maybe if I flip it, you'll see yourself. Hey. Who's that pretty girl? And he's just trying to grab onto the tripod. That's all you care for. Ay! Come on, vámonos. Oh! Whoa! Good girl! So I've been spending a lot of time baking and cooking lately. One of my favorite things to do are these flourless peanut butter banana oatmeal cookies. And I want to show you how easy they are to make. So you use 2 cups of quick oats, 2 ripe bananas, 1/2 of peanut butter or any other nut or seed butter of your choice, and that's all you need. It's only 3 ingredients, right? Just for the basic. But you can add in sugar, like coconut sugar, or 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, a little bit of salt, a little bit of vanilla or cinnamon. You can add nuts, seeds, fruits, etc. It's so versatile. So I'm working with what I have in my pantry. You have 2 choices. Here's the, let me show you the first batch. This is like according to the recipe, and it's just, this is what it looks like, right? It's got the small oats, not the big ones, and that's how they're supposed to be. But really the taste is gonna be the same whether you use old-fashioned oats, quick oats, or the flour ones, like when you have these and you grind them up. It's just, it holds the cookie together. And you don't need any baking powder or any baking powder or baking soda or none of that stuff. Here's the second batch that I'm doing, and so I ran out of the quick oats, and I figure I was like about 1/2 cup short. But if you throw in a little bit of the old-fashioned oats, as you can see, it's still helping it hold together. It's just gonna, the cookies are just gonna look a little different, but taste the same. I had some leftover cranberries, which I wanted to use. Usually I would use raisins, but I don't have any. And I love putting walnuts whenever it's anything banana and walnuts taste great to me. And then here's the parchment paper. If you don't have any, you can put a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick, but you want to try to always have parchment paper for all your baking goods. Alright, so this is what I have so far, but this size. Of course, my hands are clean. You can roll them up if you want and just smash them a little bit with the fork. That's what I did with the first batch, which is how they turned out like this. But this works fine too. So what they look like, and the best part of this is that you only have to have it at 350 degrees, and they only bake for 15 minutes. So here is the final look for these cookies. Oh, it's too hot. Anyway, enjoy.